All right, guys, just finished up this 2025 Chevrolet High Country 1500. It's got the 6-inch zone lift, factory 22-inch wheels, 35, 12, 50, 22 Nitto Trail Grapplers. Very minimal trimming, just to the inside of the flare right there. Just right in here. Now, the High Countries and the Denali's are going to come with the ARC system, which is just the newer version of the Magna Ride with electronic shocks and struts. So it does have extensions for those so that you maintain your factory shocks and struts, and then a relocation bracket for your upper control arm, which is there. Or I'm sorry, a relocation bracket on the control arm for the sensor. And the sensor is going to tell the shock what the suspension is doing so that it can control how firm or soft it needs to be. As you can see, we still got really good angles for 6 inches. Really nice looking truck. You can do the same size wheel and tire with a 4-inch, but there's a little more trimming involved. In the rear, it's gonna have a 5-inch block. You have your bump stop extension, and then your shock extension mounts here. Like I said, it does keep the factory shocks so that you can preserve the ARC system. Really good looking truck. All right, guys, that is going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.